Pan-fried chicken with lemony roasted broccoli. This pan-fried chicken dish is delicious, healthy, and easy to make. What more could you ask for in a romantic homemade meal? New York strip steak. Everyone loves steak and potatoes, but your Valentine will be even more impressed when you serve up these epic hasselback potatoes and garlicky spinach, too. Mini meatballs with garlicky tomatoes, because meatballs are definitely the way to anyone's heart. Plus, you can use a baguette to give them a sweet extra crunch. Steak with grilled green beans. Fennel and Farro. Eat a fancy steak dinner right at home. Dress up, dress down, it's your call. Sweet pea risotto. Sweet peas for your sweet Valentine. This risotto recipe is 100% creamy goodness. Grilled shrimp with charred peppers and queso. Blanco. If there's anything you love more than your beau, it's probably queso. Shish, we want tell. Creamy fettuccine with leeks and ham. This tasty pasta dish comes together in only 25 minutes, so you'll have plenty of time for cuddles and a romantic movie afterwards. Grilled tequila steak tacos. A steak marinated in all the ingredients of a margarita, then put in a taco. Yes, please. And we'll take some actual margs to drink, too. Grilled Moroccan steak and carrots. Forget Moroccan Christmas, what about Moroccan Valentine's Day? This steak and carrots recipe is a perfect hearty meal for two. Chicken roulades with marinated tomatoes. Impress your date with this delicious chicken breast recipe. It has all the goodness of spinach and parm rolled up inside. Salmon with grilled eggplant and chickpea croutons, because there's no better way to tell your Valentine you're a catch than with a yummy salmon dish. New York strip steak. Treat your Valentine this year to a dish that's as classic as they are. A perfectly cooked New York strip steak. Salmon burgers with spiced sweet potato fries. Crisp sweet potato fries make the perfect complement to these healthy burgers made with salmon, avocado, and sprouts. Peach bourbon barbecue. Baby backs. Your baby deserves the best barbecue baby back ribs on Valentine's Day, after all. Pasta with red pepper Alfredo, because everyone's relationship could use a little extra flavor. In this case, it's a creamy pasta dish. Orange ginger roast chicken with fennel and radicchio salad. If this roast chicken comes out anything like Meghan Markle's, you might be engaged to a prince by the end of the night. We kid. Vegetable ramen with mushrooms and bok choy. A bit different than the ramen you two shared during your college years, no. Pork ragu rigatoni. As if homemade pasta wasn't already impressive, this recipe calls for meat sauce from scratch too. Beef stroganoff. Nothing says good comfort food and love like a delicious beef stroganoff, served hot and with a nice glass of wine. Creamy chicken pot pies. Just like your S.O. These personal pies are golden on the outside and warm on the inside. Ah.